Hello friends, welcome to video solution of Quant Question of the Day 5. Three flexible pipes that can serve as inlet as well as outlet pipes have been attached to a tank. The rates of filling or emptying the tank by these three pipes are in the ratio 1:2:4. The largest pipe can alone fill the empty tank in 7 hours. Initially, the tank is full and the three pipes were used as outlet pipes for m hours. After the tank is emptied, later the smallest pipe alone filled the entire tank in 28 hours. Find the value of m. Now let us go for solution of this question. Ratio of time of filling or emptying the tank by pipes is 4:2:1. This is so because ratio of time is inversely proportional to ratio of rate. As we can see that ratio of rate is 1:2:4, so ratio of time will be 4:2:1. Time of largest pipe is 7 hours, which is given to us in the question. So we can say that time taken by smallest pipe will be 28 hours and time taken by the middle pipe will be 14 hours. With the help of the ratio. Let us assume that capacity of tank is 28 liters. Now we get this value by taking LCM of the time durations mentioned above. LCM of 7, 14 and 28 is 28. So we will assume capacity of tank to be 28 liters. Hence we can say that rate of largest pipe is 4 liters per hour, rate of middle pipe is 2 liters per hour and rate of smallest pipe is 1 liter per hour. When they all are working collectively, so the collective rate will be addition of these three, that is 7 liters per hour. Hence we can say that collectively all the pipes can empty the tank in 4 hours. So we can say that value of m is 4. Hence we can easily solve this question. Thank you.